everyone, it's Mona here at Craft Klatch, and today is Friday. That means it's another Coaster Friday. Today we're going to do the second, this is not your grandma's doily coaster, and we're going to use this pink silicone doily form mold. We're going to start this coaster the same way we did the last one. We're going to just stamp right on here. And when we put the resin on, it's going to become one with this ink, and the ink will not wash off. Now that it's inked up, I'm going to mix my resin. I have approximately 1 ounce of resin in here, and I am going to mix in this beautiful blue glitter. Last time I did this with just a little pigment, and this time we're doing it with glitter. Look how pretty that is. Once it's mixed in, all I'm going to do is, we'll get that fuzz off, and slowly pour it on. Now, last time I put glue around it in hopes that it would help prevent it from going too far over the edge. It happened anyway, so this time I'm just going to go with it as it is. And we'll just see how it works out, and we'll just deal with it. Now I'm going to carefully move this to the edges because I definitely want it to the edges. Okay, so far so good. It doesn't seem to want to spill over the edge. So what I'm going to do is let this sit for about 5 or 10 minutes before I come back and hit it with the lighter. All right, I have let this sit about 5 minutes, and I'm going to just go over it very quickly. I don't want to soften that resin up so much that it decides to run over the edge. Okay, I'm going to leave it, come back in another 5. This has cured, and I did end up running down just a little bit on the side. But I took my craft knife when it was a little bit set and ran it through there, so as you can see, it broke right off. And it looks like I have a decent edge, except maybe in a couple spots. So I'm going to peel this off. And it looks a lot darker on the back than I expected. But I forgot about the ink that I had on there. Ooh, I think you're going to like it. Check that out. Now you can't really see the glitter that well because it is a matte finish on this side, but look how pretty that looks. And I only have a couple spots that I'm going to have to just address here. And it looks much neater than when I did it with the hot glue. Here's the back where it's obviously more glittery. Here's the front where you have high contrast and it looks beautiful. So here's version number 1. I like the color on that as well. And here is version number 2. This one did turn out neater on the edges, except a couple of them that I have to address. So good stuff, good stuff. So here's 1, here's 2, and now I'm going to work on a 3rd. Let me know what you think and which one you like so far. Here is the pink pigment color, and then this was the blue with the glitter. And again, you can see the glitter on the back side, not on the front side. I mean, you could see it, but it's hard to see. I hope you like the second coaster. Hope you give it a try, and I will definitely see you guys next time. Remember, life's too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye, guys.